What's going on, guys? Carpet cleaning training with Dreddy again. Man, it's supposed to be lint in this dryer vent tube, but look what I see. Water, man. There shouldn't be no water in here, man. So, gotta get that up. Yeah, guys, so there's actually two reasons for this. Sometimes on top of the roof, there may be a leak. You know, it may need to be patched, or, that good old roof tar needs to be put around the vents. And sometimes the line is blocked. So with the line being blocked, the dryer could try, really hard to dry the clothes. That water just settles inside the dryer line. And that's why we're here, to get it out. Yes, so one of the methods that we use is the high pressure vacuum, and we also use a dryer lane brush. Okay, we work that out inside the dryer vent, up and down. We try as much as possible not to put a drill on it, because the drill sometimes unlocks the links, and then you could have that dryer brush stuck in there. That's how much, look at that. We find plenty. To be honest, it was dry. So I was wondering, I was hoping that it's not installation, but it was dry. I couldn't really see why it came out like that, but we got a lot of it out, and the residents were happy. So there you have it.